Okay, YouTube, we are back. What have I done? I've reconnected the cooling system. I've redone, as you can see, I've put some high temp automotive paint on the radiator. I filled the system with antifreeze. In fact, I did a little extra. What I did was I poured it inside the thermostat housing first until it was running out of the tube that goes to the radiator. Then I connected the radiator up top. Then I commenced to fill until it was running out here, which goes back to the thermostat, and then out of the overflow. So I'm quite sure that we have plenty of fuel. Plenty of antifreeze to keep it from kicking out a kicking out a low antifreeze warning or code that would overheat. All of it is brand new. I did wash it out. I don't know what that material was. It may have been just from old antifreeze. I'm not sure. I did prime the pump. As you can see, we're hooked back up into the fuel tank, the auxiliary fuel tank. The battery has been reconnected. Everything is hooked up. So now comes the test. Is it going to start? So here we go. Let's start. Perfect. I didn't secure this side. Ooh, that was scary. Okay, I need two hands, so let me switch over for a second.